Welcome to Million Jackpot. This is where you get lots of winning strategies about the MIILIONS lottery system. So, to be frank, this is the game history of the MIILIONS lottery system. So, currently, we are on draw number which is 1558. So, the last result was 1557, which was on the August 23rd, the year 2022. So it dropped 19, 26, 31, 39, and 48. So the set of numbers are the last one that dropped for the European lottery system. That is England European lottery system. So for this particular one, we are basing on the numbers 550, the 550 side, not the star numbers, 550 side. Last week, our prediction was able to drop two numbers from the hot numbers. For today, we will rely on hot numbers and also likely numbers for the European lottery system. So it's very simple to win. So I'll share with you the numbers that are likely to drop for today, which is the 26th of August, the year 2022, for the European lottery system. For today, Friday, prediction. Subscribe to this channel, like the videos on the channel, and share the videos on this particular channel. You get lots of winning tickets from this channel. So for today, based on the last results of the Million lottery system, which I share with you, this is the last results. We have prediction for today. So for today, the likely hot numbers for the million lottery system, we have the number which is 5, 25, and 36. So I'll show you where I decided to pick this number from. Okay, all the possible events. Okay, so let's take the current one. So for the current results for the Euromil lottery system, that is the current result. So based on this current result, it was retrieved from event or draw number which is 569. So draw number 569. So let's go to draw number 569 and see the numbers that drop and compare it with the current result. So let's say so draw number 569. Let me see. Okay. Okay, we're almost there. So draw number 569. It was dated on the May 3rd, the year 2013. So we have single 8, 19, 31, 33, and 39. So those results, compare it to the current results. Okay, so the current results, we have the number which is 19, 31, and 39. 19, 31, 39. So based on this, I decided to pick the last results. So the next results after 569, the last one, 570. So 570, we have 3, 20, 23, 28, and the number 42. Okay, so we need to pay this set of numbers. All right, so let's pay the set of numbers. So the set include 3, 3, 20, 23, 28, and 42. All right, so these are the sets. Now let's go to the next one, which is draw number 1165. Draw number 1165. All right, so there's the European lottery system being history. So 1165. So 1165. Yeah, you're almost there. Okay. So this is draw number 1165, dated on the 11th of no 20th of November, the year 2018. 20th of November, the year 2018. So we have 6, 19, 39, 45, and 48. So the three numbers 19, 39, and 48, the current results are dropped it. Okay, 19, 39, 48. So the current results are dropped it. Therefore, we need to pick the numbers below 5, 8, 25, 26, 30. All right, so let's pick it. 5, 8, 25, 26, 30. Let's pick it. Okay, let's add it. Now the next one, let's go to draw number 1194. Draw number 1194. So this is draw number 1194, which was on the March 1st, the year 2019. So we are 6, 9, 19, 26, 31. So it was able to drop 19, 26, 31 in the current results. Okay, 19, 26, 31. Okay, therefore we have to go there again and pick the below numbers. So below numbers is for draw number 1195. So we have 6, 10, 16, 39, 46. So let's pick the numbers. So we have 6, 10, 16, 39, and 48. All right, so let's go. We haven't finished. The next one is drawn number, which is 1180. 1180. Now 1180, draw number 1180. Okay, all right. So we have this set of numbers that drop. We have 1, 19, 31, 29, and 48. And it happened on the January 11th, the year 2019. So out of this number, it's only one number that did not drop from the current results, or did not drop in the current result. So 19, 31, 39, 48, they are all in the current result. Four numbers. So we have to pick the below number. So the next number is draw number 181. So draw number 181, go to the top. The numbers include 22, 25, 29, 33, and the number 35. So we need to pick those numbers. So we have the number 22, we have 25, 29, 33, and 35. Today is likely that it will drop 30 and 20 column numbers. So let's go to the next one. The next one is taken from which is draw number 1281. Draw number 1281. Draw number, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 different areas. We've taken 4. We've taken 4 different areas. It's left with 2. So let's go to draw number 1281. Draw number 1281. Yes, we're almost there. Draw number 1281 for MIILIONS lottery. So it was on the December 31st, the year 2019. We have 26, 31, 33, 41, and 48. So the numbers 26, 31, and the number 48, they are in the current results. Okay. Okay. So 26, 31, and 48, they are there. 26, 31, 48. So we need to pick the below numbers, which is draw number 1282, 5, 15, 20, 36, and 47. So let's pick those numbers. So 5, 15, 20, 36, and 47. We need to pick those numbers. Let's go to the next one, which is draw number 1464. 1464. 1464. So when you go to draw number 1464, it was on the November 1st, the year 2021. You have single 1, 15, 19, 26, and 48. So 19, 26, 48. They are in the current result. Okay, 19, 26, 48. Current result. Therefore, the below numbers, which are for event or draw number 1465, 11, 13, 14, 36, 45. So you need to pick it. So you need to pick 11, 13, 14, 36, and 45. Okay, so these are the sets that we have achieved for today. So today, based on this, you could say that we have number single 5. Okay, here we also have single 5 to be here. We have the number 26, 25 here. We have 25 here. Okay, we also have the number 36, 36 here. So out of this, the repeated numbers within the list are 5, 25, and 36. So that is why I was able to take the three numbers as the likely number for today. That is the hot number for the Euro system. So the Euro system, the hot number for today, which is Friday, the 26th of August, the year 2022, the hot number prediction, we have 5, 25, and 36. And also the remaining numbers that we have in the list, all the numbers, when we combine them, they are 30 set of numbers, but because there are repeated numbers, we have 27 numbers. So the likely numbers for the Euro system, you have single 3, 20, we have 23, 28, 42, single 5, single 8, 25, 26. We also have 30, we have 6, we have 10, okay, then we have 16, we have 39, we have 48, we have 22. Because we're waiting 25 here, you need to take one from it. Okay, so this one will go. It has repeated. We have 29, we have 33, we have 35, we have single 5, and we have the number single 1. Okay, we have the number single 1. Okay, let me see if we have single 1. I don't think there is single 1 in it. Let me check my records well if there is single 1 in it so that we will not make mistake. Is there any single 1? No. It's rather the number 11. 11. We have 11 in it. Okay. So let's make the correction over there. And we have the number which is 13, 14, 45. Okay. So we have, let me see, 47. Okay, let's add 47 and also including 13. Okay, then also include the list of numbers which are 14 and what 45. Okay, so I've made it perfect for you. I've made it perfect for you. Okay, so it's very simple that you get these numbers. So I made it a summary here. For that one, the first list, I will just bring it with you, okay? So I made it simple. So the illuminate prediction, we are the hot 3, 5, 25, 36. And these are the entire set of likely numbers. Let me mention it again. The first one was having some repeated numbers. So we have 3, 20, 23, 28, 42, single 8, 26, 30, 6, 10, 16, 39, 48, 22, 29, 33, 35, 15, 20, 47, 11, 13. 14, then also the number 13. 13, let me see, a repeated number. Let me see if 13 has repeated in the list. All right. Sometimes if you don't take care, you just repeat some of the numbers. So the number 13, let me see, 13. So 13 should be eliminated. Okay, so we have another 13 here, so I've eliminated one. So we have 45, 5, 25, and the number 36. So these are the entire set of numbers. Finally, these are the entire numbers, likely numbers for the European lottery system. And these are the hot ones that we can rely on it to see if we will get a winning ticket from it. Okay, so subscribe to this channel, like our videos, and share our videos. They are very simple ones that I share with you. There are more to come. Okay, the other time we had two numbers. We are hoping that these numbers will at least drop four numbers from it, or even this one will drop all the three or even two from it. And that's what we are hoping for the Euro Million Lottery prediction, which is today the 26th of August, the year 22. And so this is what I have for you. Good luck.